Hello guys, today we'll look how to install VS Code on Ubuntu 20.04. Not by downloading from their official website or other kind of source, because after downloading from there you have to go to that terminal and you have to run other commands and a lot of stuff. So today we'll get rid of this kind of headache. So let's just go to Ubuntu software. I pinned it here. You can find it from the applications. It will be located here. So just click on it and you will go there. So just search for VS Code, and after a little time VS Code will be appear here. So as you can find, here's the VS Code. As I already installed it, so it's showing me that you already installed it. So just click on it and you will go here. So as I already installed, it's showing me the remove button here. So as you don't have VS Code on your system, so it will show the install button here. You just have to click on install and it will be installed in just 2 or 3 minutes smoothly. It will show the progress bar here, the progress of downloading. So when it's done, you can find it simply from your applications here. It will be listed here like this, VS Code. You can click on it and it will open in just few seconds. So as you can see, now VS Code is opened. Now by default it will be listed at below of all the applications. So you have to just click on it and drag it at your desired position, like I am dragging it on here. Visual Studio Code has been added to your favorites. Now it will be always pinned here. You can just click on it, that icon, and Visual Studio will be open. So as I already imported some projects here, you can also open some projects by going here, file, and then open file or open some folder where your project is listed. But the recommended way is you just have to go to your desired project. Let's suppose this project, I am working on it, and you just have to drag and drop here and it will be loaded in the VS Code easily. So there are a bunch of things, other kind of extensions that VS Code provides. So here is the Git extension. You can click on it and here will be listed all the files that you changed, and you can easily push, pull, clone and other kind of stuff. And here is the extension tab. You can find all kind of extensions you want to download from here, like I downloaded Git Lens, HTML, CSS support and JS, other kind of things. This will help in your code a lot, and you can search in all of your files here, and you can write any kind of stuff. It will be searched in all of your files. And if you want to search or find in individual file, you can click Ctrl F and here you can find any kind of word. So that's it for today. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye, take care.